Hello friends, my name is Bella and welcome to my freestyle kitchen. I just got home from work. I'm a little bit tired and I don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my 10-minute chicken salad. As usual, you want to have all your ingredients out. I got some microgreens. I got marinated chicken. I got tomatoes. I got mushrooms. I got olives stuffed with garlic and jalapeno. And I got a cheese mix of parmesan, romano, and asiago. We also got pan and a cover as the chicken splatters all over the place. Also a bowl for the salad. The first thing we want to do is heat up the pan. There's no need for oil in the pan because there's oil in the marinade. While the pan is heating up, I wash the ingredients that need to be washed, such as the mushrooms and the tomatoes. For one salad, I use about 3 or 4. Let's use 4. So this is just for me, 1 serving. And I'm gonna use about a handful of tomatoes. Just like about 6. And the pan feels pretty good. You want it to be hot. I'm gonna use 3 pieces of chicken tenders. Make sure you cover your pan. And now we assemble the rest of the salad. So in my bowl, I'm going to put a handful of microgreens. Now I'm going to slice my tomatoes first because I'm going to cook my mushrooms. And these tiny grape tomatoes, I just slice in half. I don't think it's necessary to slice them any more than that. I also want to slice some olives. I'm gonna use about 4 and eat 1 because I'm really hungry. I didn't get a chance to look at my timer, but the chicken tenders take about 3 minutes on each side. So now that I got everything sliced, I still have my mushrooms, and the reason why I left these for last is because I'm going to cook them. I didn't put them in the pan with the chicken first because the chicken was raw and I just don't like to get that mixed in. And for the mushrooms, you could slice them, you could dice them. I like them sliced, but either works fine. So now we're gonna flip the chicken. And move it off to the side a little bit. Because we're gonna put the sliced mushrooms on the other side. Try to get them all in an even layer. And that's gonna take another 3 minutes. So this time I looked at the timer. You could take this time to put the rest of your ingredients away. So this way, when the chicken is done cooking, there's nothing to put away and you could go ahead and dig in. I forgot to add in the cheese. For this is personal preference. There's no measurement. I just kind of grab a bunch and throw it in there. I really love cheese, so I do put quite a good amount in there. And usually I make dressing, but I didn't get a chance to do that this week. So we're just gonna go to the basics, which is drizzle some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. 3 minutes have gone by, and I think my chicken should be done. Also, if you're not sure, what I do sometimes is I take the chicken, one piece, and I slice it in half and just take a look. So if you don't see any pink reddish in the middle, it's ready. While I slice the chicken, I put the mushrooms. They're not gonna get crispy or anything unless you cook them a while longer. There's no actual timing for this. I guess it was 3 minutes, and I'm gonna leave them on here another minute, so about 4 minutes. And while that's finishing up, I'm gonna slice my chicken. Well, I'm really like kind of shredding it. I'm using a bread knife that's serrated edges, and I'm just kind of tearing all the chicken up. Oh, it's so juicy and perfect, you guys. And if you don't have a marinade, you could still make this chicken pretty fast by using just salt and pepper to season each side of the chicken tenders. I'm gonna take my pan and just throw all the mushrooms right on top there. Now I'm gonna put all the chicken over the top of that. And lastly, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. Some apple cider vinegar. And I shake this because if it sits for too long, the sediments, they form on the bottom. So I just shake it back up because I want the full flavor of this apple cider vinegar. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and there you have it, you guys. A 10-minute chicken salad. If you were to order a salad, you would probably be waiting for another 30 minutes. So there you have it. Delicious, full of protein, fresh produce, and you can customize it. You could put whatever ingredients you like in there. It doesn't have to be what I had in there. I hope you enjoyed this video and follow for more. Mwah.